কিসের ইংলিশের নাত? এতক্ষণ কি শুনছো? He was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad, mercy upon mankind, teacher of all mankind, Abul Qasim, Ya Habibi, Ya Muhammad, Ya Shafi'i, Ya Muhammad, خير خلق الله محمد يا مصطفى يا إمام المرسلين يا مصطفى يا شفيع العالمين. He taught us to be just and kind and to feed the poor and hungry, help the wafer and the orphan child, and to not be cruel and miserly. His speech was soft and gentle, like a mother stroking her child. His mercy and compassion were most radiant when his smile was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad, mercy upon mankind.